I get so much joy when I think about all of the things that He's done for me. Not only just the big, big miracles, but all the ordinary, everyday things. He always finds a way to blow my mind. And it's His glory in me that makes me shine.